What is going on, guys? I figured I should bring you guys an update. I've been working on the car today, and yeah, it's been a while since I uploaded and talked about this car. So what I've done today is I've got the coolant hoses installed here today. So they are now running in line with the oil cooler. It's going to be going through the metal pipe that's going outside of the engine, which is usually cold coolant into the stock oil cooler, and then you got a hose out from there onto the radiator. But what we've done is we got that output from the engine, so to speak, going into the gearbox, and then from the gearbox into the stock oil cooler, and then into the radiator. So that's how it's gonna work. And I've also changed the steering servo hose, the metal pipe. I'm gonna show you here. We get an issue when we change to the DSG box. There we go. So this is the one that's on my car stock. It goes from the it goes from the turbo pump, a little bit of rubber, and then some cooling lines, and then some rubber again, which goes to the steering rack basically. So yeah, I've now changed that to another model with some other pipe instead to make it fit, because originally, or that one does not fit with the DSG box because it takes so much space. So now it looks something like this instead. Let's see here, down there you can see you got the sensor. Oh, there we go. Here you got the sensor, and you got the new steering hose there, and it goes all the way around here to there, where you then got the pipes going there forward and backwards, and then over the gearbox this time. Yeah, down there to the steering rack basically. But yeah, so that's what I've done. Oh, and I didn't show you guys. God dang. It looks like this now. So you got the pipe going from the left side here, and then into the oil cooler, and then you got the long hose there going left all the way down to the new oil cooler, or the OEM oil cooler I would say.